eBay Auto Order Processing Bot is demonstrated by Web's automation. This application will read orders from an Excel file. You will define product names, seller names, colors, and quantity. Once your Excel file is done, you need to activate your extension and click on the import file link. Here you can place your account email in the Excel file of your data. And finally hit the submit button. Now the software will access the eBay website to search and proceed with the orders. Here it is adding the order into the cart. It will go for the checkout now. This is a demonstrated video and running in testing mode, therefore we are not finishing up with the payment. To view more videos, subscribe to our YouTube video channel.